Hello and welcome to another Process Love Candy. In today's 30-second drawing challenge, we're going to be practicing expressions. I already got cracking on a few earlier, but I forgot to hit record on my iPad Pro. So here's a few of those little sketches for you to check out while you get ready, get your pens out and get set to go. Now if we're all set, let's get drawing handsome. Alright, I am so late in finishing this drawing. Let's quickly finish up these last little few lines, and there we go. Oh, what a fun little first one. I'm glad this came out alright. Pretty wonky eyes, it looks a bit crazy there, but that's all good and fun. I hope your drawing came out alright too. Alright, still finishing up the last ones as well. So much more to do in ahead. This one's not too bad, it's a bit square, there's a few extra squiggly lines, but that's alright, pretty fun. Hope you're enjoying yourself, not taking it too seriously and really just loosening up and getting better at drawing. Let's get ready for another one, shall we? I'm running late again. Oh, but what fun this one's been. I've gone extra crazy on the big wide open mouth and tiny little head. My eyes have gone a bit wonky, but that was a fun one. I hope you've enjoyed that one. Let's get ready for another one, shall we? Alright, I'm running late on all of these. I think my next 30-second challenge for heads might need to be a 40-second challenge. What do you guys reckon? Oh, anyway, I'm happy with this one, the thinker. Although it looks like I've got a comb over, but that's alright. Okay, next one. Alright, let's just finish this up now. Okay, this one's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this one. Nice big smile. I've gone for quite a underbite there, but the nose looks fun and nice smiling eyes there. There we go. Gotta finish this up still. I'm running late on every single one of these drawings. Oh well. What's over there, he says. I like this one. Come out good. Really push that teeny tiny lip there to make that more expressive and pushing that eyebrow arc. Alright, one more. Let's go. Oh, and there's my time up. I gotta finish this one, but I'm taking too much joy in this one. This has been so much fun. I'm really pushing that expression there. The lips look a bit crazy and the eyes have gone super wonky, but it all makes for an even better drawing. I mean, in the end, these 30-second drawings, they may look a little crazy and wacky, but you know, they're still solid drawings. You can get so much out of so little time. So thank you very much for joining me in this quick little drawing expression challenge. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I'm pretty rock solid with this outcome. I think they've come out really good, and the render on them, which I've done in my own time, takes a little bit, but makes it really show off how a quick 30-second drawing can look amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this session. I know I have. Make sure to whack a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and keep drawing handsome.